I am for yourselves. How are you? So nothing that. It is to have a good day for yourself. I will showing in the new product to you. It is full of ladies product because ladies is the extraordinary all over the world. Ladies is the fashions, ladies meaning charms, and ladies is the beauty. So beauty ladies, sit down and get my product revision. This product for you only. It is not male product. It is for you, for your beautiness and for your styles. Because ladies are the first grade of the style all over the world. Ladies is the service of God. So that's why I will give you our new products for ladies. This is the ladies jute bag. It is eco-friendly bag. So we will discuss and review every time our jute bag. So this thinking idea we will get in our mind that so how can I ladies and how can style increasing of the ladies product. This product is very important for you and for your style. So my ladies thinks that this is the colors of hair as like as the green and hair uses like as the color of reds. Green and reds combining mixing because it looks extraordinary for you. It is made in Bangladesh. That's why we are colored that our symbol. We are colors that's in our flags, but not yourselves. It is the other colors of yourselves gets extraordinary for you. When you are hear it, you can use it in your product. When you show as the woman extraordinary of the gift, you can use her, you can both her and particularly her because it is full of eco-friendly. That's why the gifts in the other place, it has been used the our reaction paper. And here we have the increasing usually causes that the chain of the bags. So you can here keep it your money, your Johnson, and you can use here your fashion product, which is the makeups in your times all over the time. You can here put it in your dress, you can here put it in your makeup. And besides, it's the full of made in jutes. That's why woman skin is full of soft bacteria. Bacteria is the main harmful and cause of the many reasons for yourself. When you use of the reaction bags and another bags and the leather bags, the bacteria will be pimps of you. That's why you have the case ever hands. But when you cons of the times, this not will be action of the bacteria and it will be not the allergic effect because your skin is full of soft as like as the God service. So you use here particularly and you will the amazing moment. You are not feels in the bacterial moments for yourself because woman skins are very soft. That's why jute and eco laptop products, eco-friendly products for yourselves has been increasing for your style not only, it will be save you for the many kind of disease. Besides, its styles and its OS for you as like as the comfortable. Its weighs per half 300 gram also, but it's strong for all the sides. Here we use Rexin, but it is soft. When your skin eyes yourself, it will be not harmful and it will be not harsh. For the example, your skin will be not increasing the rashes. And beside, you hear it's the many kind of things and got to the extraordinary. One things I will looking, it is particular sides. This particular sides and turn over the sides has been increasing. When you are crossing your stains, your fingers, when your stains of the shaves in the place, it will be not seams and it will be not harmful for yourself because it is full of strong and cooperative for yourself. And this is in area, follow that. Here I will give in the in area. It is also chips, not expensive paper, but it will be not damaged as soon as possible. When you are increasingly use. And I think that the one bags I will not give her all of the words. So it will be damaged, but after 2 years or 3 years, and your extraordinary comes of the moment in this time. And that time I will give the new bag. It is true that that's our supplementary. We are increasing, we are thinking the jute products. Then when it's the close down, when it is the damages, I will give other product for you. No problem. So you can certainly and certain leave this for the total moment 2 years in these bags. And beside when you are getting down, this chips is full of easy and full of easy because there have been uses the good chips and good thinking uses here and it is the handwritings and chemicals matter. It will be not so is the chemicals. This is cotton were collected and with revisation and mixing with the colors and then we are the total handmaking product and the extraordinary you can believe that when you take it you good how to smooth how to style, how the can finish yourselves. And for you can use here our chain has been capability. So you are working here the 2 times. You can hear, and when you can two momentary here, you can workings, and you looks very extraordinary because green color and red color the most choicest things all over the world. And when you are too sexy and sweet, so your styles will be increasing for itself, and you will get more sexy and more appeal, more capability for them. Not a problem. And beside then, it is the reaction is the mistings which is very soft for your skins, for your touch, for your smoothness. Our product has been goes all over the world. As like as the Italy, we have sell in this product as soon as possible. I will sell for you, for your delivery, for yourself, for your products and reviewing for yourself. You can comment us what is the product as you wish and as you want. When you use this product, you will be get a good chance for yourself, and you will be take the good moments, and it is narrow escapes. It is designs has been the main change the two categories on the greens on red, and it is the Rexin colors also. Its look as like as the shabbies for you, and this product has been shabbies for you all over the time and all over the show. So you collect our bags for your styles, for your moment, for your extraordinary for yourself. Thank you ladies, and as soon as possible you will give the commenters. I will show you our another product for you, for your family, for your community. So thank you being us. Subscribe our channels, likes and gets the comment, moment and share. Thank you. Thank you for being with us.